Have you ever wanted to do something and do it perfectly right away and just nail it and smash it out of the park and not show anyone your mistakes? Me too. In fact, I find that I like to do things really well right away. Today I was faffing around, love that word, and I'm editing and doing stuff that I've just been doing for weeks now, and I wanted a break. I wanted to create a break. So a little while ago, I went to the music store to get a flute because I wanted to compose some music or just play around and just have that creative musical outlet. And so today I picked it up and I started playing a song from my childhood that I love. And I wanted to play it for you, and I thought I had gotten it right because I was just playing it by ear. And then I realized when I was listening back to the soundtrack, aka the video, that it was in the wrong key. And so there was one note where I'm like, ooh, that's not quite right. So then I was playing around and I've switched keys. I am no music major, but I've taken a tiny bit of music and I really love it. So I thought, oh, I'll just smash it out of the park and get it for you. But I feel like there's a lesson in here for me, especially, so timely. But I'm wondering if you find a lesson in it as well. So I'm just going to play it. And if I play the wrong note, I'm just going to keep going because that's life. So here it goes from my childhood and with the key change. Oh my goodness, that felt so painful to do. And sometimes that's the way progression is made. You start doing one thing, you realize it's slightly off, and you switch it, and you just gotta go through. So let me know if you recognize the song. So near and dear to me, and so vulnerable playing it imperfectly. Alas, I am imperfect. Much love to you all.